Do you know what happens to garlic if you cook it for 40 days? Well, let's find out. Get some good-sized fresh garlic bulbs and a slow cooker. Put a few sheets of paper towel at the bottom of your slow cooker and place the garlic bulbs in it, preferably in a single layer. Put the lid on and turn the slow cooker to a warm setting. Not hot, not low, and not auto, but the warm setting. And now, we just wait. After a full 40 days, your entire home, from your wardrobe to your cherished possessions, will be enveloped in a delightful and inviting aroma of garlic. By this time, the garlic bulbs themselves should have transformed into a gorgeous golden brown hue, a testament to the magic of time and patience. Remove the lid and take a look. When you hold a bulb of black garlic in your hand, you might feel like it's just been rescued from the aftermath of a house fire. The bulb boasts an intense dark hue that stretches across a spectrum of shades, from a smoky brown to an almost black. The skin of the garlic should be slightly wrinkled and papery, while the cloves inside are soft, sticky, and almost jam-like in consistency. This aged garlic is a popular ingredient among many chefs because of its rich, sweet, and savory flavor compared to raw white garlic. And it has almost double the amount of antioxidants compared to white garlic. And the best part? It won't give you a garlic breath when eating it. Below the video, you'll find the link to the full recipe, complete with cooking time, suggested temperatures, and helpful tips for perfecting the black garlic. Additionally, explore the 8 key benefits of black garlic and daily consumption recommendations. Check it out now.